How pro traders read charts instantly. Have you ever watched a professional trader open a chart, look at it for just a few seconds, and instantly know what the market is doing? Meanwhile, beginners stare at charts for hours and still feel confused. Here's the truth. Professional traders are not guessing. They are following a very simple chart reading process. And once you understand it, charts stop looking random. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 4-step framework professional traders use to read charts instantly. And once you learn this, you'll never look at a chart the same way again. The biggest mistake beginners make. Most beginner traders start their analysis the wrong way. They open a chart and immediately focus on indicators, tiny candles, and random signals. This creates information overload. Their brain tries to process everything at once, and they miss the most important thing, the big picture. Professional traders do the opposite. They simplify the chart and read it from the top down. This allows them to understand the market in seconds. Let's break down the exact process. Step 1. Identify the trend. The first thing professional traders look for is trend direction. Every market moves in one of 3 conditions: an uptrend, a downtrend, or a range. An uptrend forms higher highs and higher lows. A downtrend forms lower highs and lower lows. And when price moves sideways, the market is ranging. Why is this important? Because trading with the trend dramatically increases your probability of success. Professional traders almost never fight the trend. They align with it. Once the trend is clear, they move to the next step. Step 2. Find key structure levels. Next, professionals identify structure levels. These are areas where price previously reacted. The most important ones are support, resistance, and previous breakout zones. These levels matter because they reveal where buyers and sellers made decisions before, and markets often react at the same levels again. This is where institutions pay attention, and smart traders do the same. Now comes the most interesting part. Step 3. Watch price behavior. Professional traders don't just mark levels, they watch how price behaves near them, because price behavior reveals market psychology. For example, a strong bullish candle near support means buyers are stepping in. Long rejection wicks near resistance suggest sellers are defending that level. And tight consolidation often signals pressure building before a breakout. This is what traders call price action. And mastering price action gives you a major edge in the market. But there's one more step most beginners skip. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. This is where beginners lose money. They see a level and enter immediately. Professional traders wait for confirmation. Confirmation can appear as a strong breakout candle, a reversal pattern, a surge in volume, or a clean retest of a level. Confirmation reduces false signals and eliminates emotional trading. It turns guessing into structured decision-making. Now let's put everything together. The professional chart framework. Professional traders follow a simple checklist. Every time they open a chart, they ask 4 questions. What is the trend? Where are the key structure levels? What is price doing at those levels? And is there confirmation of the next move? That's it. This process takes seconds once you practice it, and it transforms how you see the market. Why most beginners struggle. Most beginner traders skip this entire process. Instead, they chase candles, follow social media signals, or rely only on indicators. This leads to emotional trading. Professional traders do the opposite. They trust structure first. Indicators come after. Indicators should confirm a decision. They should never create the decision. Let's imagine a simple example. Quick market example. Imagine a stock trending upward. First, the trader identifies the uptrend. Second, they mark support and resistance levels. Third, price pulls back toward support. Fourth, buyers defend that level with strong candles. At that moment, the trader sees confirmation, and that's when the trade becomes interesting, not before. Patience is the real edge in trading. The professional checklist. Before entering a trade, professional traders ask themselves, is the trend clear? Is price near a key structure level? Is price behavior showing buyer or seller strength? And is there confirmation of the next move? If these conditions are missing, they wait, because in trading, no trade is often the best trade. Conclusion. Professional traders don't read charts faster because they are smarter. They read charts faster because they follow a clear framework: trend, structure, price behavior, confirmation. Master these 4 steps, and charts will suddenly start making sense. You'll see the market with clarity instead of confusion. And that's when trading becomes structured, not emotional. If you want to develop a real technical edge in trading, watch the Chart Pattern Mastery playlist next. That series will help you understand the setups professional traders use every day, and it will take your chart reading skills to the next level.